The manufacturing industry offers great opportunities to take the next step towards your future. A career in manufacturing offers competitive wages and great benefits. Did you know that in the state of Idaho, manufacturing jobs have an average of 40% higher compensation than other industries? With a projected growth of 14.5% over the next few years, manufacturing is a career path with plenty of space to grow and prosper. For example, the manufacturing company Johnson Thermal Systems, or JTS, offers a variety of opportunities. Employees at JTS specialize in constructing industrial refrigeration units and large-capacity generator enclosures for protecting critical power supplies. Once assembled, JTS ships their products across the USA and internationally. To begin, mechanical and electrical design engineers create detailed technical drawings and 3D renderings for each project using AutoCAD and SolidWorks. These designs are distributed to the manufacturing department, where generator frames are cut to length and welded together as the house starts to take shape on the shop floor. A turret press with a CNC interface is used to punch through sheets of metal and fabricate smaller components that will be riveted together. The brake and shear machine operator cuts and bends panels to the required specifications. An operator also prepares the refrigeration assembly unit with a more complex pipe fabrication. Metal welding skills are used, such as stainless steel to copper pipe welding. In the paint booth, a team of painters prepares a primer and top coat for the outer panels of the newly manufactured units. After all parts are fitted, an experienced electrical team begins field wiring and quality checking the assembly. Prior to final testing, refrigeration units are integrated with electrical control. Back to the generator enclosures. After paint and quality inspection, the mechanical integration process begins. With their backgrounds as electricians, journeymen, and electrical engineers, integrators install automatic transfer switches, run cable, and other important equipment. Once the enclosure is complete, technicians test, troubleshoot, and prepare the new generator to ensure everything is working properly prior to shipping to the customer. Johnson Thermal Systems and other employers in the manufacturing industry offer great benefits to support their employees. These can include competitive pay, insurance plans, paid time off, 401k, and more. Manufacturing companies across the state of Idaho have similar opportunities and are looking for you to start a career today. Your future career in manufacturing is just a click away. Learn more about career opportunities that match your interests and goals by visiting forgingfuturesidaho.org. This message has been brought to you by Forging Futures Idaho, an Idaho Manufacturing Alliance initiative.